So you decided to click on my thumbnail. Welcome. Night Can't Rap here. This is my first reaction. This is gonna be my first reaction video. I'm kind of working through the kinks, so if there's a little bit of reverb or weird sound stuff, we're gonna be figuring it out. I'm not gonna make this intro too long because I hate when I watch reaction videos and the intro is too long. But I would like to first say thank you for clicking on my channel and visiting. Maybe stay, subscribe even. I've already seen people uploading reactions to this tape in particular with these clickbaity ass titles and, text overlay like Drake diss. Like, I'm not gonna be. It's that. I'm probably gonna be talking less about that. Now, with that being said, we will discuss if there are some shots taken on this album. But for the most part, I'm just here for good raps. I want to hear some lines that are going to make me get out of my seat and start swinging on people that don't exist. If you want content that's focused and centered around that, then why don't you stay a while? Without any further ado, because the intro was longer than I said it was going to be, and I already said that I don't like intros like that, let's start it! I need good reps in my bloodstream. Let's get it. I'm going to clear my mind. And I'm going to lock in. I may stop periodically from time to time and run things back. But for the most part, we're going to try to do this in one swift motion. All right? All right, let's go.
Yeah. DJ Clue, Desert Storm. We gonna set this shit off. You know how we do things. Word.
Okay, I said I wasn't going to stop it. I'm going to stop it really quick. Old school vibe. Think he's capturing some of the nostalgia of his target market? All right.
In a Ferrari, a lamb truck, switching wide lanes. Top down, screaming out them niggas all lame. Came up from the mud puddles, then it all changed. Living ghetto fab like my brother named Paul Kane. Somewhere along the way, I hate to say we lost shame. Grown men peddling gossip of all things. I remember when it was rapping, a ball playing. Now the bread and butter is yapping and parlaying. Aw, man, your name's a big conversation. Max deals for Luka Doncic, lobbing and hating. Though nowadays you can make a grip commentating if you master two skills, either dick riding or hating. Just look around, and hating and the dick riding is blatant.
Bro.
So mama, your ticket to finally lift out of her basement was found in one magical word in this engagement. And nothing brings that like drama. You might wanna. Personally, I don't write comments, I write commas. Withdrawals from pictures to pin draws to fall off. They wanna know if this is the end all, be all to this rap game. He's trained in CPR. I'm a whole new breed for those that wonder who he really is. That thunder at night to wake up their sleepy heads. Just when you thought that your boy was completely dead, boom, walked out that tomb like Matthew said that Jesus did, with the whole game on his shoulders, not even straining to hold it. I can spin around my fingers and mold it. When I write, it's like I'm guided by the angels. I notice it's like the ghost of Christopher Wallace and came in and wrote it. First name.
That's the stuff you could only do when you've mastered the game. Once you put in your 20, what is it? 10,000 hours? Once you put in your 10,000 hours of rap, that's when you can bounce around the beat and you're still on beat. Yeah, he's floating. What was that line he was talking about? Was that seemed like that was almost a shot at Cam. I know J. Cole and Cam had some type of beef centered around some feature that was owed to Cam. But Cam has the sports show, so that seemed like maybe a little shot. And I said I wasn't going to get into the whole gossip and shots and stuff like that, but that was pretty blatant. I may be wrong though. I'm gonna run this back because he floating. Let's go.
If you master two skills, either dick riding or hating. Just look around, the hating and the dick riding is blatant. Tell mama your ticket to finally live out of her basement is found in one magical word in this engagement. And nothing brings that like drama. You might wanna. Personally, I don't write comments, I write commas. Withdrawals from pictures to pin draws to fall off. They wanna know if this is the end all, be all. To this rap game, he's trained in CPR. I'm a whole new breed for those that wonder who he think he is. That thunder at night to wake up the sleepy heads. Just when you thought that your boy was completely dead, boom, walked out that tomb like Matthew said that Jesus did, with the whole game on his shoulders, not even straining to hold it. I can spin around my fingers and bold it. When I write, it's like I'm guided by the angels. I notice it's like the ghost of Christopher Wallace and came in and wrote it. First name Jermaine and it's goated. Never once his fame been a motive. Far from it. Respect first. Next up, my net worth. The best verse belongs to the nigga that should live in a Bronx Zoo. I stomped through on some King Kong shit. Long ding dong shit. Pause. I rinsed off the sauce. Y'all got lost it. All this false floss and dog is exhausting.
Wait, why did he? That long ding dong shit. Pause. What are you pausing? You said you're on that long ding dong shit. Stand by it. I'm on that long ding dong shit. Pause. No. Play. Resume, Cole. He's still floating though. He's still floating. This is crazy. This is that hardcore old school mixtape feel. That's that Dat Piff era. Damn, I'm old. I had a mixtape on Dat Piff. Damn.
Right? I hate the rapper like belongs to the nigga that should live in a Bronx Zoo. I stomped through on some King Kong shit. Long ding dong shit. Pause. I rinsed off the sauce. Y'all got lost in all this false floss and dog is exhausting, right? I hate the rapper like I'm Charleston White. Give author writers to authors. It's hard to write as hard as the God does. Y'all tallest to me. Stop bothering me. Young Simple. Some niggas threw some hate my way, but only thing that they should say is Cole, you like a father to me. The top ain't really what I thought it would be. And so I jumped off it, landed back at the bottom and restarted at a level where I wasn't regarded as much. Just to climb past them again and tell them all to keep up. I love it. Truly, I'm aging backwards. In the sandboxes, I play with trappers. The K's pop like Asian rappers. The bullets grazing afros, piercing through front doors and left holes in a baby mama's favorite bathrobe. Thank God no one was home. I'm so in the zone. Might wake up at 4 in the morning, start mourning alone. Discover the snakes, pull up to your place and going alone. Creep to your room, put 4 on your dome. If your girl scream, tell the queen, bitch, lower your tone. Hey, matter of fact, go on your phone, add me on IG. I used to be top seed. Apology dropped me way out of the top 3. No.
Wait. He's gassing right now. He's gassing. This almost sounds like a writing exercise. Like you start it and then you just keep writing until you're done. It seems like it's a lot of stream of conscious, like, you know, whatever rhymes with this, and then you just kind of follow it to its logical conclusion when you're writing. So it sounded like he busted in the room, killed his op, then asked the op's girlfriend to follow him on IG. Am I hearing that correctly, Jermaine? Like, you started off the song talking about how engagement is like the devil and how people are just so in content social media land and they need to break free, right? But you just committed a murder and you asked the widow in this situation to follow you on IG. You're a part of the problem. No, obviously it's a bit of hyperbole, but this is hard.
4 in the morning, start mourning alone. Discover the snakes, pull up to your place and going alone. Creep to your room, put 4 on your dome. If your girl scream, tell the queen, bitch, lower your tone. Hey, matter of fact, go on your phone, add me on IG. I used to be top seed. Apology dropped me way out of the top 3. No problem, I'm probably my best when they doubt me. Watch me. Watch me. Watch me.
Old school Desert Storm mixtape vibe.
DJ Clue, to the storm. And you know what?
Fire first track. Fire first track. Yeah, definitely some stream of conscious rap. It's not a whole concept like his first track that he released, Diss 2 track 2, where the whole concept was him rapping his life backwards. You know, this sounds like I'm just getting my shit off. I'm going to prove to y'all, or remind you all more so, that I am still one of the best lyricists doing this shit. So I think we're going to move into track 2. That first track was entitled Bronx Zoo. I got to figure out what these beats are too. What's this one called? I don't know. Who cares?
You know what?
Cold of truth, got they throw the nooses. Grip never letting up, though they hope it loosens. Nah, I'm on top, you can't knock me off my spot. Fuck yachts, I won't stop till the boat's a cruise ship. So the whole world knows who got the gold acoustics. Only then will I split like I co-produced it. A lot of rappers make dough and be prone to lose it. For crumbs, dumb niggas so they sold illusion. Universal distribution, but I own the music. Best niggas still breathing, leaving no confusion. Hop on every nigga song, abuse it. Catch bodies for my own amusement. Niggas cheating and I won't excuse it. If I said it, then I wrote it, stupid. I'm a star like the logo on my shoes, but these ain't no Converses. Nah, girl, they golden gooses. A nice fella, but the flows is ruthless. And the culprit's 2-6, where the closest you get to hope is Hope Mills Roll Cola. Seen more beef than them folks at Ruth Chris. Teach a man how to fish, and the lesson is this: without a pole, you're useless. Catch my drift?
Y'all see what he doing there? The little scheme there? I know you see it. But I'm pointing it out. Cause that was fire. Without a pole, you're useless. You catch my drift? Y'all gotta watch my battle rap content, because this is battle rap, bro. I love when they hit you with that punch and then they start scheming, right? Ooh, that's hard. Hold on, let's go back a little bit. Yeah, let's cook. Let's keep cooking.
Girl, they golden gooses. A nice fella, but the flows is ruthless. And the culprit's 2-6, where the closest you get to hope is Hope Mills Roll Cola. Seen more beef than them folks at Ruth Chris. Teach a man how to fish, and the lesson is this: without a pole, you're useless. Catch my drift? I'm swift on my toes, you doofus. And that's why the hoes that choose this, they like, can I kick it? Like they roll for Q-tip. Sure. But just know, baby, we don't open doors for Cupid or leave windows cracked. You been known that. I'm worldwide, these niggas like a little known fact. They lack focus and they pause is putrid. From poison of all different sorts they using. If the stream say you're winning while your tours is losing. When the math ain't math, then of course you're juicing. That mean the bots is boosting. Cut the tough guy image, it is not conducive to breathing. Don't gamble with your life, cause the ops is cruising. Word to Mike Vick, your dog might get shot for losing. And I don't like those eyes, so I stay in my lane. Despite every bit of dirt thrown my way, there'll never be a stain on my name. That's why I walk around dolly as if ain't nothing changed. Without a chain on my frame, niggas can...
I will say this. This is still fire. By the way, but it is a little weird hearing normal bravado, competitive talk coming from J. Cole. Not because he apologized, but more so, well, maybe it is because he apologized. I think it's more so the fact that he could have kept it competitive too. Like, there's a such thing as competitive dissing. Like, hey, I'm just the best alive, where it doesn't have to get messy. You don't have to get into somebody's personal life. Maybe he didn't like the content of that diss that he put out for Kendrick, but it's just weird when it's almost like there's these ghost figures. And this is really just an aspect of rap in general. When you're getting your shit off, they are these labelless, nameless, faceless figures that you're imagining when you're rapping, right? So he'll be like, if your streams are up, how come your tours are this and that? And you're like, who are you talking about? But realistically, he's just talking about the phenomenon, right? He's not talking about, to my knowledge, I don't think he's talking about somebody specific. He could be, but it sounds like it's just kind of like normal rap shit. Is he talking about Kendrick? Is he talking about Drake? I don't know. Like, no, we're not doing that. But This is good. I just wanted to point that out though, because it is a little bit weird hearing him get his shit off in that capacity. But I mean, he can. When you have this talent and you have this skill set, you can do it. He's rapping his ass off. Okay, we'll keep going.
Never know the pain of Jermaine, but I can't name a thing that I ain't overcame. I despise my celebrity, I ain't in the fame. Don't be silly, want the chili, similar to Usher Rain when he sang in the rain. Hey, money bring respect in this game. Ain't it a shame how them things interchange? DJ Clue. New York City.
We got a Who Shot Ya remix. Okay, I'm assuming this is the third track. We are about halfway through. We got a Who Shot Ya freestyle. He did make a reference to Christopher Wallace in the first song. I'm interested to see how he's going to get off on this. Let's go. Long ding dong shit, pause. All right. Let's go. Ooh, that transition too. Let's go.
DJ Clue. New York City. New York City is crazy outside right now. It's cold as fuck.
Facts. It's cold as hell.
You know what I mean? New York, stay alive. That's the only thing. Yeah. Hey, yo, scrap everything I was working on prior to the day the world decided to play. I got a brand new agenda. They trying to keep up with your boy Harley. Bitch, I feel like Lori Harvey. How I ran through them niggas. Now I'm back for the winter. Trying to outdo myself. No chain on my neck, but got a palpable wealth. I grew up in the heat of the South. You could melt, cause the summer humidity enhances stupidity. Means say I'm humble, but trust this humility's from witnessing violence and turned off utilities. No man that's rhyming can match my fluidity. I'm Mike Jordan, Ant Edwards, nigga, you kidding me? Cold gets niggas, now I'm back for the winter.
We running this back. It's the word choice. Okay, I'm gonna let y'all know what does it for me when it comes to music and rapping in general. It's the word choice. It's the cadence, but more so, it's the selection of words. I love it. I love when I'm not able to guess where you're going with it. I love being caught off guard. Did you hear what he's hold on? He talking about
Got a brand new agenda. They trying to keep up with your boy Harley. Bitch, I feel like Lori Harvey. How I ran through them niggas. Now I'm back for the winter. Trying to outdo myself. No chain on my neck, but got a palpable wealth. I grew up in the heat of the South. You could melt, cause the summer humidity enhances stupidity. Means say I'm humble, but trust this humility's from witnessing violence and turned off utilities. No man that's rhyming can match my fluidity. I'm Mike Jordan, Ant Edwards. Nigga, you kidding me? Cole gets older, but grows new abilities. You didn't know I'm Zeno with Goku agility. Come witness perfection. These niggas perplexing like witness protection. Get whole new identities. Then start rapping, but what happened to the real you? I used to get self-conscious around real gangsters, and I still do. Find peace with the audience you appeal to. Be yourself, living your truth. Niggas will feel you. Embrace hunger. What don't make you stronger will kill you. The pain will build you. God'll heal you. Don't make your moves off a dollar bill. It's not as fail-proof. As say, following your heart that way. Long as you have faith, the path pays tenfold. Me, I chose rapping over class A tempos. Back when rappers still was trying to pass they demos. A&R reps, I was dubbing Sally Mae, not paying off debts. Through the toughest alleyways, we would pray that our steps were protected by the Lord. Cause what I witnessed had all my niggas staying silent like that's none of our business. I'm in desperate need of commas like a run-on sentence.
Yeah.
Like a run-on sentence.
He's going so crazy. Resisting the urge to run this all the way back. Resisting the urge to run this all the way back. Come on, you got this. Just press play and keep going. You got this.
Silent like that's none of our business. I'm in desperate need of commas like a run-on sentence. Shit. like a runner on sentence. I'm trying to see greener pastures, cause preteens are blasters. Not a lot of talking, but the gun's long-winded. No strap on my body, I'm an unarmed menace. I'm an unarmed menace. New York, New York. New York, New York.
DJ Clue.
Desert Storm.
Fire. 3 for 3.
DJ Clue. DJ Clue. To the storm. To the storm. Nigga.
Yeah.
Money, power, respect. Money, power, respect. And this isn't a complete surprise because I did see an online video of Jadakiss saying that he was going to rap on this. But the way it just came in just now, I don't know. That did that. I felt that. That's that long ding dong shit, Paul. That's that long ding dong shit. Play. Resume.
DJ Clue.
Oh, shit, man. Yeah. I orbit the earth whenever I'm recording a verse. When I'm ready to drop, steady gon' report on it first. Play my album for the corpse.
No, you don't. That's why I love rap, because you can say shit that, like, one, doesn't make sense. Two, you just didn't do. Like, you didn't kill someone and then ask their spouse to follow you on Instagram. And you're definitely not orbiting the earth every time you're recording a verse. That would take forever. Actually, that kind of gives a lot of context. Maybe that's why the album took so long.
I orbit the earth whenever I'm recording a verse. When I'm ready to drop, steady gon' report on it first. Play my album for the corpse in a hearse. It's so live, the flow can make the rigor mortis on a mortal reverse. These niggas reckless trying to disrespect the Lord of the church. Get disconnected from your source just like the cord at your birth. From an alternate dimension, I got lost inside of this one. Now I'm walking around and looking for a portal that works. But all of the perks around me make it harder to search. The tormented poet, I know I'm making more than I'm worth. At one time, my neck and wrist was having so much ice. You think I'm getting dudes deported to a border and turf. These niggas swear they doing numbers, but it's more to the story. You bust it down, it's by
Go back.
inside of this one. Now I'm walking around and looking for a portal that works. But all of the perks around me make it harder to search. The tormented poet, I know I'm making more than I'm worth. At one time, my neck and wrist was having so much ice. You think I'm getting dudes deported to a border and turf. These niggas swear they doing numbers, but it's more to the story. You bust it down, it's by the streams of kids ordering merch. When niggas hate, it's like a blessing in the form of a curse. I've been anointed since a quart of water slaughtered my thirst. Some birds wanna swallow my girth, I'm off the market. If life was truly a movie, God is the art department. The only way of describing this way that I'm rhyming is picture Jeffrey Dahmer walking a carcass across the carpet. The Marshall Falk of the roster with all-star offense. Outside of the music, I'm as cool as your water faucet.
Whoa. We're leaving Earth. We're leaving Earth with the scheme. We're leaving Earth with the rhyme scheme. Stay right there, Jay. Stay right there, J. Cole.
Songbirds wanna swallow my girth, I'm off the market. If life was truly a movie, God is the art department. The only way of describing this way that I'm rhyming is picture Jeffrey Dahmer walking a carcass across the carpet. The Marshall Falk of the roster with all-star offense. Outside of the music, I'm as cool as your water faucet. I stay to myself, I ain't talkative. Y'all taught me not to have a heart-to-heart with a monster. They all too heartless, like the skeletons of these fellas locked in the closet. I smelt it from the jump cause it felt too awkward around it. I fell back, my dog in heaven pushing Hellcats would tell you from the beginning. I wonder how could I dodge it. The beef ain't real, so it ain't no reason to squash it. The game ain't neither, so it's easy for me to pause it. With one verse, I disassemble narratives. Your theories get killed. The murder weapon with superior skill. Selling drugs to your stereo. Sincerely, it feels like overdosing off a myriad of various pills. You're not alone when you experience ethereal thrills. Even niggas burning in hell when they hear me get chills.
This nigga said he's experiencing ethereal thrills. Said he's experiencing ethereal thrills. What the fuck does that mean? That sounds so lit.
To pause it with one verse. I disassemble narratives. Your theories get killed. The murder weapon with superior skill. Selling drugs to your stereo. Sincerely, it feels like overdosing off a myriad of various pills. You're not alone when you experience ethereal thrills. Even niggas burning in hell when they hear me get chills. I'm a 99 bill from the Ville signing mighty fine deals. The year's total was 95 mil. So why do I still grind like I'm trying to retire? My mom's out the post office. From St. John's to the league like I'm Mohawkless. Unloaded a whole cartridge on foes who wholeheartedly oppose the chosen one that rose like the golden sun in the morning to give light to even those that shun. Raised from the flows, radiate the globe, melting snow on this frozen tundra. Known as the rap game that's been overcome with loads of marketing plans based on randomly dissing and hating on the next man. I understand, imagine working hard as you can on this album you plan, hoping it charges your brand.
Keep
but
going.
As you drop it, the world's ignoring again. Got you wondering why till you start to notice the trend. Drama enhances the attention brought to the fans on popular channels, so you wanna hop on a band, wagging a battle, rapping and throwing shots in a jam. I had my chance, but I dropped it, which means that my only option is to do the opposite. Then lead with the skill, nigga. If hip hop is back, JID should chart platinum. And
It's 11 minutes. This shit could be 10 hours. Why is he floating like this, bruh? He's floating. I'm glazing. Let's go. Cause this is the one right here. All of them were good. This one, that little pocket he was just in, that effortless syllable, multi-syllabic thing he just mashed together, that was crazy.
again, got you wondering why till you start to notice the trend. Drama enhances the attention brought to the fans on popular channels, so you wanna hop on a band, wagging a battle, rapping and throwing shots in a jam. I had my chance, but I dropped it, which means that my only option is to do the opposite. Then lead with the skill, nigga. If hip hop is back, JID should chart platinum. Anything less than that, it means y'all capping. The fall off is dropping 2-6. Stop asking. I wanna thank God, cause I almost lost passion. Thought that I was finished, then it all started crashing. Made me remember why niggas start rapping. I'm pissed cause the Knicks could have hired Mark Jackson. I'm hype Mike Jordan just start broadcasting. And all the old rappers getting bags podcasting. It's beautiful. It's beautiful.
But hold on though. Didn't you say in the beginning that was kind of like the downfall of the culture when people are doing podcasts, either hating or dick riding, something like that you talked about in the beginning? Which one is it? And maybe he was referring to something specific in that line. Or this could just be the nuance of man. You think one thing when you're starting a verse, and then by the end, you kind of completely switch your narrative. So I'm obviously kidding a little bit, but yeah, I think that's interesting. I think J. Cole has some internal conflicts like any human, like any person. He's very good at showing his flaws and turning his flaws into art and being a flawed individual outwardly, right? He doesn't make excuses for it. He just is who he is. I love this kind of rap, man. I love, because it's realer. This type of rap is realer than anybody telling you they're gonna pull up on you with that stick, which he did do. Which he did a good amount in this. From what I've heard so far, he talked a lot of that normal, typical hip hop shit, but then he talked about some real shit, and that's my favorite type of rap. Like, that is the real shit. Talk about the folly of man and your flaws as a human over some hard old school hip hop production. I'm never gonna finish this album. I'm never gonna finish this.
DJ
Cause I almost lost passion. Thought that I was finished, then it all started crashing. Made me remember why niggas start rapping. I'm pissed cause the Knicks could have hired Mark Jackson. I'm hype Mike Jordan just start broadcasting. And all the old rappers getting bags podcasting. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Hip hop, hip hop, hip hop.
DJ to the storm.
Fire. Perfect length for my first reaction too, because Lord knows if it was any longer, this reaction would be 39 hours. And so I'm gonna definitely get better with the flow. That was fun. I'm gonna keep doing this. You know, J. Cole is absolutely a top tier MC, and I love that he used this as an opportunity to remind us of that before he releases his full body of work, which I'm assuming is going to be somewhat of a conceptual piece. Before that, though, I'm excited that he decided to step out there and just remind us that, hey, you know, y'all can't fuck with me. All right. I don't need to diss to show y'all that y'all can't fuck with me. And kind of dip in and out of some of his thoughts recently and whatnot. I loved it. That was fire. And it gave me that old school hip hop feel. Like if I was playing this in the car and I'm just vibing and then it transitions into Who Shot Ya, I'm like, at that point, I'm running somebody over. At that point, somebody's gone. That's it. Yeah, I'm excited for this album. This made me want to react to some older classic albums. Like I want to react to like a Scarface album or an Eazy-E. And better yet, y'all comment what albums I should react to. And regardless of the fact whether I actually have a unique perspective to provide, I just want some folks to be able to listen to new music with. So comment below and subscribe so we can have the conversation, because selfishly, I would love to create a community of people who are into the intricacies of this shit as much as me. Because a lot of people have this misconception that like, oh, what's happening to hip hop, bro? Hip hop is dead. No, hip hop is transitioning. Hip hop is changing into something new that people are having a difficulty understanding, but also people don't take the time to understand. So on this channel, we're going to react to all different forms of hip hop. From an artistic standpoint, I'm always going to be looking at, did you achieve the desired result? Everything has messaging. So whether I agree with the message or not, did you convey the message? Did you achieve the desired feel? Did it make me feel the way that you were intending? Whether that be turned, maybe you wanted the listener to contemplate. Either way, I should be able to hear that. I should be able to feel that in the music. But anyway, this has been Night Can't Rap, signing off.